Long way back in history, they started laying bricks. In China's north is called the Great. Tear down these walls. What happened once in Bethlehem to unite the world in peace is now a fence to separate. Tear down this wall. Tear down these walls, me boys. Break down these walls. In your streets and in your heads. Tear down these walls. It's peace line called in Belfast town, between Schenkel Road and Falls, between Catholics and Protestants. Grab a brother's hand. What generation will break through and tear down this wall? Tear down these walls, me boys. Break down these walls. In your streets and in your heads. Tear down these walls. Nor peace was ever built of stone. No friendship starts with bombs. Quarrel is no seed for trust. Masonry don't unite. Tear down these walls, me boys. Break down these walls. In your streets and in your heads. Tear down these walls. Stupid men of power splits up a people's life. Once in Berlin, now to Mexico. Tear down these walls. Is there wisdom to decide between north and south and west and east? Anywhere around the world, oh come on, tear down these walls. Tear down these walls, me boys. Break down these walls. In your streets and in your heads. Tear down these walls. Tear down these walls.